Hey there, it's Christina. Welcome to my kitchen, and tonight I am making some lettuce wraps, and I'm going to be slicing these cucumbers in my KitchenAid food processor using a certain attachment that I haven't even used before. So I thought, hey, it might be kind of cool to do it together on the video with you and show you how it turns out. So I have the lettuce wraps, not the lettuce wraps, the lettuce, the butter lettuce, bib lettuce, that are going to be the leaves, softly wrapping up the raw veggies. So I just got this at the grocery store today. It's local, it's grown in Maryland, and it's organic, pesticide and insecticide free, hydroponically grown. So as you can see, it's so green and lush and beautiful, and we're going to wrap the raw veggies in it. So got my orchids. They're still blooming, still beautiful after, gosh, it's been about 6 days. And I keep them here because they make me happy. They're so beautiful. Yeah, so, alright, so what I want to do is, well, let's just get started. I wanted to put in the cucumber into here, lengthwise, and then see if it slices it lengthwise for me. I think that's what I want to try to accomplish. And I looked in the book. I have the book here that goes with my food processor. Shows you what to do with all these different attachments. See, I've got all these different attachments. They're actually right here. I haven't even used them all yet. Don't know what they all do yet. But anyway, we're going to experiment together. And yeah. Sit back over to here. Alright, so this part goes on top so it doesn't come flying out, right? And it presses it down, and then here you want it thin or thick. I want them thin, so I'm going to leave this here, but if you wanted it thicker, you'd push it over. And then this is the knob to turn it on. Ooh, that is really thin. It's okay. Let's try it. Let's try another one.